Go!
Hanggang ngayon ba confused ka pa rin sa calling sa'yo ni Lord? Ano bang gumugulo sa isip mo? Dahil ba naisip mo na hindi mo na magagawa ang mga ginagawa mo sa labas? Ay nako bro, ano ba na you can be yourself while serving God? Tara, halika. I'm telling you brother, everything here inside could fulfill what's in you. Not only will you learn from it, but you can make the most out of it. You could be a basketball player like Brother Ori. You can express yourself through arts. You can be creative as well, and so much more. Enrich your minds the foundation of your character, and begin high-value education in a holistic approach. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang community schedule. Bonus points sa atin to bro, because we are inspired to do God's work. Discipline begins by doing everything in the right time. Huwag ka matatakot, hindi mo ito magagawa na ikaw lamang. Alalahanin mo na we are brothers. And nandito tayo para tuparin ang purpose natin sa buhay at sa Panginoon. Serving God is not difficult. Sa pagpasok mo dito, you can be the best version of yourself. And I will promise you the true purpose of your life.
Kain na!
Join us in this journey towards understanding and practice of the Catholic faith and the development of your God-given talents and potentials. We are so excited to welcome you to our community and look forward to helping you discover your purpose in life.